music. Students are able to acquire knowledge of music both in theory and in practicals. We don't limit our teaching to just the curriculum. We go beyond the curriculum for them to be able to play and practice music that is beyond the school level. We have opportunities to learn any instrument. Students that are here, they have opportunity to learn varieties of instruments, both winds, strings, percussion, and so on. I can assure you that here we'll get the best as far as the music department is concerned. We don't go for the less, nothing but the best. Thank you.
There's this general belief that once you hear food and nutrition, the only thing they do there is cooking. No, that's a big lie. In food and nutrition, it's basically two aspects. We have the theoretical part and we have the practical aspect. The theoretical part is usually done in the classroom during teaching, while the practical class is usually done in the home economics laboratory. As you can see, Ebunoluwa has a standard home economics laboratory where cooking and meal service takes place. So this morning I'll be teaching my students how to make stir-fry spaghetti. These are the ingredients for making the stir-fry spaghetti. This is the spaghetti itself. This is carrots, sweet corn, green peas, and kidney beans. Then these are eggs. Then we have sausage roll. Then this is plantain, the one that has been removed from the outer part, and that one is still intact. So we are going to use all these to make the stir-fry spaghetti. Our stir-fried spaghetti with fried plantain and scrambled egg. It looks so attractive and appealing. It's good you have a taste. Thank you.
This is where we make art a means of self-expression. Just as we all know that art is a means of self-expression, a platform where we allow our students to express themselves in and outside the school curriculum. This is Ebunoluwa International School, where art is given premium to. And as a result of this, we build our students academically, and at the same time, we build them creatively, knowing it fully well that every student is born with one or two talents different to one another. As a result, here in Ebunoluwa International School, we look into the creative tendency, the creative ability of our students, and as a result of the facilities we have on ground, a well-equipped studios, a well-equipped, furnished with great artworks from our students. As you can see all around, all of them are made by our students. Here in this studio, here in this department, we build the inherent ability of our students through art. Thank you.
You have something like this. This is straight gown with pattern. Now, the bust should be 30, while the length will be 28. The waist will be 24, while the hips will be 32. Before you can cut any materials, you go straight to the highest number, which is what? The hip measurement, which is 32. This is the 28. You can see it now. Our measurement is 32 by hips, and we are going to use 9. 9 times 4, 36. This is 9. Why are we using 36? Because of seam allowance. Since there is no white-collar job, the government imparts the knowledge into the children, the pupils, in order for them to become something in the world. And the school sponsor everything. We have about 18 machines here. We have students here, and there's a lot of students that have passed through me that they are well known in the city now. The students are coming out with first grade in their exam, and the students are having the testimony of garment making each year.